Now let us take 1 minute to appreciate the work put into this meal, like seriously. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare chicken wings in barbecue sauce, and let us get straight into this video. So into a bowl with chicken wings, of course, we are going to be adding white vinegar. You can alternatively add apple cider vinegar, and this is approximately half a cup of white vinegar, followed by garam masala. Now this is spice. This is a spice, what am I even saying? And that is 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So what we want to do here is marinate the chicken. The next step, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next up, we're going to be adding Spanish paprika, or rather just paprika. That is again half a teaspoon. Next up, we're going to be adding garlic powder. Again, this is 1 teaspoon. Next up, we're going to be adding the light soy sauce. And that is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Then mix that up, cover it with cling film, and let it rest approximately for 1 hour so that the chicken can absorb the marination. Into a sufuria, let us add 2 cups of ketchup. 1 and 2. So we're going to follow this up. We're going to follow this up by adding a 1/4 cup sugar. This is granulated sugar. You can use any sugar. Next up, add the garlic powder, and this is 1 tablespoon garlic powder.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
After which, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Onion powder. The next up, we're going to be adding the turmeric, and that is 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Next up, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we are making the barbecue sauce actually. And then lastly, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of paprika. When that is done, we're going to sprinkle mixed herb. Mixed herb, not mixed spices, mixed herb. Mixed herbs. And then mix that well till all the ingredients are well mixed. So next up, we're going to add 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Mix that up again. Follow it by adding a half a cup of white vinegar. Follow it up by adding a half a cup of white vinegar. Mix that up. Let it sit somewhere for some time, like approximately 20 minutes. Then you can use a baking tray or a rack. I prefer using a rack. Just laminate it with aluminum foil. Then place your chicken wings. After the rest, the 1 hour to 30 minutes rest, place your chicken wings on the rack, and then you're going to bake them for 45 or 60 minutes on high heat, that is 200 degrees or 180 degrees. Just bake that. And then now to the barbecue sauce that we initially made, place it on medium heat and let it boil. Place it on medium heat. Place it on medium heat and let it boil. Then when the chicken wings are ready, you're going to dip them into the barbecue sauce. Then again, return the sauce into the medium heat, and then allow it to boil with the chicken wings. Approximately 5 minutes, not anything more than that. Remember, the chicken mix are already cooked, and so is the barbecue sauce. So that would be it for me today, guys. Let me see you in the next video. Till next time, bye.